Alright, so previously we covered the initial setup for the visual, so you know how to create your first instance of the waterfall visual. In this video, we're going to be covering the interaction options for the waterfall visual. So first things first, we're going to go through the drill downs. And in order to activate one, it's pretty simple. Click on one of the columns and it's going to drill down to the next level. In this case, we went from a yearly view into a monthly view. Now, if you want to go back to the previous level, you can simply click on zoom out because that is going to take you one step up in the hierarchy. Now, if you want to create a single or multiple selections, you have a couple of options here. You can either long press on one of the columns, or you can hold down the control key and actually click on multiple columns to apply these as additional filters. If you want to clear the selection, it's also pretty simple. Just simply click on the y-axis or the value axis. There we go. Now, something else that our visuals allow you to do is you can freely move around them. And how you do that is by hovering over the chart itself, holding down the leftmost button, and moving it upwards, downwards, to the right, or the left. So these interactions essentially allow you to fine-tune the zoom level and focus on certain changes if that is necessary. The last but not least is going to be the interactions on the legends. So what you can do here is if you want to disable one of the series from being displayed within the chart. So for example, right here, we have a total column. If I want to remove this, I can simply click on the legends right here, which says total, and you can see that column is being removed. So this allows you to dynamically hide and show different legends and different series. All right, that's going to be it for the interactions, and I'll see you in the next video.